Here is a concise overview of the Best Diet Program. The Best Diet Program. A balanced approach. Key principles. 1. Eat whole foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Hydrate adequately. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 3. Watch portion sizes. Eat until satisfied, not stuffed. 4. Limit added sugars and saturated fats. Restrict or avoid foods high in added sugars and saturated fats. 5. Incorporate physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Benefits. Promotes sustainable weight loss, improves overall health and well-being, reduces chronic disease risk, supports healthy digestion and gut health, encourages mindful eating habits. Popular diet programs. Mediterranean diet. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Flexitarian diet. Mind diet. Mediterranean intervention for neurodegenerative delay. Volumetrics diet. Remember, the best diet program is one that is sustainable, enjoyable, tailored to your individual needs and preferences, combined with regular physical activity and a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching.